here, and I got to remember to look over here because that's where the camera is. I'm coming to you guys with a what I eat in a day video. I've never really done one of these before because I have a hard time picking up the camera as it is and filming videos for you guys. But apparently what I've been eating has been working for me, and the weight has been going down, and I feel so much better. And I really, well, I want to thank everybody in the keto community, let me say, who does videos, because a lot of you guys have helped me. It's just maybe I'm a little hard-headed and stubborn and thought I could do things differently because I know that everybody is not the same. However, I want to give a huge shout out and many kudos and thank yous to, I think, Joni, Keto Diamond. I don't want to mess up anybody's name. I always call her Keto Diamond, and so, but I think her name is Joni. And I wanted to say thank you so very much, because watching your videos every single day, whether there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them a day, you know what, it doesn't matter. I love how you just put yourself out there, and that's probably what you need to do for you, and it's probably what everybody needs to do for them, because I got to tell you, YouTube and the YouTube weight loss community has been the best tool that I have had over the last 7+ years that I have been on here doing videos as far as my weight loss is concerned. If I had not started my channel back on October 3rd, 2011, I don't think I would have stuck to continually trying, even though I never made it to goal, even though I lost weight, gained weight, lost weight, gained weight, but like I haven't given up, you know, I'm still there, still always conscious about my weight, still always conscious about the fact that I want to do better and I want to be better. Yes, I'm a food addict. Yes, I like to binge sometimes on food. I'm not like a huge binger where I just like eat all the things in the refrigerator and then there's wrappers around me and all that kind of stuff. But I will go off on a tangent sometimes when my emotions and feelings are not feeling so good, and I will eat a lot more than I should and then not be conscious of it. Another thing that I fail on is I'm a member of MyFitnessPal, also a few other sites like CalorieCounter.com and Spark People, which I originally started with. And I got to give kudos to Spark People because I learned how to eat through Spark People. I learned what I was eating, how to read labels, portion sizes, looking at things and knowing what a portion that I was supposed to have looked like, as opposed to a portion that I might have wanted to just stick on my plate and eat. But in any case, before my breakfast that I'm about to show you gets cold, yeah, I'm on MyFitnessPal, and I do sometimes, for a while there, I wasn't counting, I wasn't going on there and logging my food. I'm back to logging my food. I think I'm on like day 4 of logging my food again. So my weight is down to 240.8 as of today. It was 240.4 yesterday. I did have a little bit of a binge last night. I've been going through some very stressful emotional things that I won't get into here on my channel. However, that being said, it's no excuse for me to take it out on even keto treats, and that's what I did, and I have a feeling that that's where the extra 4 ounces came back, or it could be water weight. I don't know. I don't think I was kicked out of ketosis, but just to be sure, today I'm just going to try to eat primarily eggs, black coffee, and a lot of water. That's where I really have to, I don't know what it is, but Keto Diamond really has encouraged me, and someone else in my life who I love and give big kudos to, who have been encouraging me to drink more water, because it's really helping things flow and get that whoosh effect or swoosh effect, whatever they call it, that you need when you're on keto in order to continually lose at a rapid pace. So I'm going to pan down and show you my breakfast. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, guys, I couldn't do what I thought I was going to do. What I was trying to do was turn the image around on the video, but what I have here is actually 4 fried eggs, fried in not even a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. This is one of those single-serving cups of salad, little salad bar from Aldi's. The guacamole, I have 2 left, and they have to get eaten before tomorrow. And I am going to put a little Himalayan salt on there. I haven't yet. And then I have actually 20 ounces of black coffee. Right here, it's chocolate raspberry from Aldi's. I guess it's only a holiday thing because I've never seen it before, but I hope they start carrying it because it's more delicious than the one I got from the Keurig store. Just saying. And it has a little squirt of stevia in there. And then a 16.9 ounce bottle of water, and I will drink at least 4 of these, if not more, today. I've been drinking my water every day. I've been getting in like anywhere from 65 or 68 to like 75, whatever. I know it fluctuates, but if you check out my Fitness Pal, I do have a link here underneath. You can check me out on all my social medias. I'm under the same name I am here on YouTube, which is LosingDrea. You can add me and you can see what I eat on the daily. I'll try to come back with whatever I eat later tonight if I eat, because I only eat when I'm hungry. I stop when I'm full. If I should happen to not eat everything here on my plate, I probably will, though. I'll insert that in. However, if not, you won't be hearing from me until later on today, when either I eat or I don't eat, and it's the end of my day and I decide I'm just going to close out this video. And then what you'll be watching as you're watching this, because you're watching it now, is actually yesterday's meal. Hope that helps. I don't think that I'll be able to upload it in time for you guys to see as it's happening. I'm not doing a live. So if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below and give this a thumbs up if you could. It really helps me out a lot, so they say, so I really would appreciate it. And if you have a channel and you're into keto or any other kind of weight loss that's not a pill or a program or a potion, please go ahead and let me know down below that you do have a channel, so that I can click on your name and go check you out and help motivate and encourage you. Hello, beautiful people. LosingDrea here, and this is part 2 of my what I eat in a day video, at least for today, because like I said, I don't always do these videos. I'm doing it for you guys because I never do it, and I'm actually having much success, so I want to share with you what I eat in a day. So already I've had 3 out of 4 bottles of water. I don't drink cold water very well. I don't know if any of you, if you having a problem and you can't get your water down, try drinking it at room temperature. I don't know why. For some reason, that seems to work for me better, and I can tolerate the water and get it down. This is a 16.9 ounce bottle of water. I buy these in a 24 pack from Aldi's, and I pay like $2 and some change. And I grab 4 of these, and I bring them with me here in my office. See, here's the one I have to finish, and this is what's left of the 3rd one, because I already finished 2. Anyways, I'm showing you what I am eating for dinner. I had eaten earlier around 3:15 in the afternoon when I broke my fast. Of course, keep in mind, I work nights. It is currently 12:07 in the morning on Tuesday morning, but I do work nights, and what I do, by the time I wake up, I woke up at around 1 something, showered, did my thing, and then decided to eat, and it was 3:15, so that's when I broke my fast. I'm having, again, 4 eggs, just 1 serving, which I believe is 2 ounces, 28 grams of Colby cheese that I melted on there. And I like my eggs fried over light, over easy. I don't want them runny, but I do like the yolks to be a little runny. And in this case, I kind of overcooked them, just so y'all know. Little Himalayan salt on them. I did not put Himalayan salt on my breakfast eggs, even though I said I was going to put some on there. I never got to, but I did put some on here. In addition to this, I am going to drink me a Bang. Now, I am not sponsored by this company, guys. I'm just addicted to their energy drink. And I know some of you are going to say energy drinks are bad for you, and yes, in many cases they are. However, that being said, I quit drinking heavy whipping cream in my coffee, and I started drinking my coffee black. But I started drinking Bang. I want to say like 2 weeks ago, I started drinking Bang around the, I think it was like the 9th, maybe, oh man, it's like a month ago already now. Maybe around like the 9th or so of November. And ever since I started drinking the Bang, aside from like, because I don't really get enough sleep, I don't get enough exercise, I don't hardly exercise at all, I've been losing weight. So I'm not getting kicked out of ketosis. I'm not having serious cravings. It's actually kind of like a treat because it tastes just like soda. This particular one here, peach mango, delicious, guys. They have one called Citrus Twist if you like orange soda. They have one called Purple Haze if you like grape soda. They have one called Black Cherry Vanilla or Cherry Vanilla, whatever. And they also have one that's, I heard, called Root Beer, which I haven't had. But the Black Cherry Vanilla, pretty much if you like root beer or like a cream, black cherry kind of cream soda, you will like. But But that one I don't like as much. For some reason, I taste the sucralose in it. Yes, it has sucralose in it, but some people can have sucralose. If you ever watch Michelle Rock, who does keto, she does sucralose. She has no problem. She does not get kicked by it. Some people might. I'm not telling you won't. But I'm telling you that I don't, and I haven't, and I'm good to go with the way I've been eating. Definitely want to say getting in my water is amazing. Now, normally what I eat is more carnivore than anything. Now, carnivore is primarily meat, eggs, and water. So outside of the bang, I've been having steak, and I usually make a really big steak that's like $10 or $12 at Aldi's at $5.99 a pound to give you a good idea of how big of a steak it is. And I share that with my mother, who has had gastric bypass surgery, and her tool still works for her. She cannot eat more than a fistful of food. She doesn't even have maybe 2 or 2.5, if that, ounces of steak. So I'm pretty much left to eat this huge steak by myself. And I will generally just eat that and be good with that and whatever side dish. But I've been trying not to eat vegetables because vegetables, I don't know if it's kicking me, but it's creating a lot of hunger in me. And I love vegetables. I really do, guys. So I'm not saying don't eat your veggies. I'm not saying don't listen to Dr. Berg and eat 7 cups of greens a day. But some of you guys, if you're watching this and you're having a problem with your weight's stalling, it's either A, it's dairy, or B, it's veggies, or maybe it's both. I don't know. But for me personally, I cannot have veggies. I just don't do well on them, and I cannot have the dairy. I'm not doing well on that either. I'm eating cheese, and because I'm only doing eggs, and I'm basically doing what they call a fat fast or an egg fast. If you don't know what that is, Google it, look it up. I'm sure you will get some information, maybe not all the information, but some information on what you can and cannot have on an egg fast. This is only my second meal of the day. It'll be my last meal of the day. Like I said, 4 eggs and the guacamole for brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it, and then 4 eggs. Now, I'm not even coming near my calories. There's 0 calories in and no carbs in this Bang energy drink. There is sucralose in it. It has I want to say a butt ton of potassium and 40 milligrams of sodium, and that's in one complete can this size, which is a 16-ounce serving. You can see it's a big can. But there is absolutely no, and there's BCAAs and CoQ10 and BCA aminos and super creatine. So if you do work out and you need something to help rebuild or replenish your protein and whatnot in your body that I guess is somewhat depleted at times when you're working out, then this is the kind of thing you might want to go to. If you're trying to quit drinking soda and you don't think you can, and you do want to try the keto thing, it wouldn't be bad to try this. I wouldn't advise it in the beginning if you're trying to get into ketosis, but definitely a fat fast would help you if you're trying to get into ketosis, or just eat meat. You can't go wrong. Just eat meat and eat some pickles or drink some pickle juice, because the salt in the water is going to help build up your electrolytes so that you don't get the keto flu. So, that's all I want to say, guys, other than today, I've been watching Keto Diamond. I can't talk enough about her here on my channel. And she counts the days, how many days she's been on keto. And I can only tell you that as of today, this would be actually like the 128th day, I think. 24, 25, 26. Yeah, Tuesday the 11th would be the 128 days of keto straight, where I haven't really cheated. I did have a couple little junky things, but I made them keto-like, so I don't think that counts. But 128 days of keto that I've been on straight and without cheating. If you guys wait a video or two, my plan is to go all the way back to the very beginning, January 8th, 2017, and count the days, and then start from there, how many days I've been on keto. Because there have been some times I went off keto, and I don't know, it's just, I don't think it's fair to say, oh, so many days, even though, I go off plan when I go off plan. If I can take out those days, subtract those days, maybe, but then it won't match with anybody who happens to know what day and date that I actually started keto. So I don't know. I think it's cool that she does that on her channel, and I think it's important. I like to hear how many days she's been on keto and how far she's gone and what she's lost in the amount of time. It's really motivating for me. So, it's already cold, but it's still delicious. I'm going to finish eating what I eat in a day. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please
click the subscribe button down below and do so. You will be notified of all new videos as I put them out. If you have any comments, questions, anything, good or bad, hopefully just good, please leave them down below and I will definitely reply to you. And with that said, be happy, be healthy, be beautiful, but just be you, be the boss of your loss if you're on a weight loss journey. And I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Be blessed. Mwah.